Okay, so you exported the... What do we got here? We got the Moonguard Bridge. File import. Change it to OBJ. Set it to that folder. Select the bridge. Import. I'm going to go ahead and select... I'll go into vertex... component selection mode. Go into vertices selection. And I'm going to select everything and go straight to the front view so I can see what's going on. Select the vertices right in the middle, and I'm going to make sure that I double click on my tool settings right here for selection and make sure I have soft selection turned on, that the fall off mode is turned to global, and the fall off radius default's only at 5, so I need to increase this to up until we can see the full mesh gets covered. The more red it is at the edges, the less it'll move, so if we don't want the edges to move at all, we should get it actually a little bit black. There we go. Towards the edges right now I got a fall off of about 52. And now I can go to, let me just go out here into, not scale. Scale will give you a curve. If you scale, you'll get a nice curve like this. But I'm going to go into the move tool. And you can see here that it's not nice and smooth, which means I need to increase my soft selection fall off radius and get that fall off radius a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to go back over here to the move tool and push this thing so we get a nice curve on it. But the problem is Blizzard's got these meshes down here that are not subdivided at all. So it looks like it's on bridge number 9. I'm going to select everything except 9 and do a Control H so I can see what I'm working with, and go ahead and go into let's go to edge selection mode on this one, and F for focus. And I've got these edges, and I'll say mesh tools and insert edge loop. Let's get the options open for insert edge loop, and I'm going to set multiple edge loops, use equal modifier, number of edge loops 8, and turn off autocomplete and turn off fixed quads. Now I should be able to select if I get the right object. Let me get back object mode here. Okay, I'm done with the right object. We're going to go to edge selection mode, and let's open up that insert edge loop tool. And they're yellow. I can see, there we go. There we go. Just have to look for that green cut, and I've clicked on all of the edges, and so I'm going to press enter, and looks fine. So over here, same thing, just going to select an edge and go to mesh tools, insert edge loop, and click that. Let's see, this one, of course, there we go. I can see the top one, the second one, the third one, fourth, and the fifth. And that gets me this kind of L-shaped edge loop cut I can see, so I'm going to press enter. And now I can do Control-Shift-H to show everything that I had hidden. I'm going to go back into vertice mode, select all of the objects, and go to the front view, do a selection like this across the front, reselect the vertice mode here, Select everything. We want component mode and vertices. It's not letting me see them because I have the tool right now is the insert edge loop tool, so I need to get over here to the select tool, and now I can select all the objects and select by vertices. Here they are going to show, and I kind of want to get just the middle section. I don't know if I want this middle piece to bend, but that should work to kind of select that full middle piece. I missed one vertex right there, and I missed some more. Keep going until I get, that's what I'm looking for. Right in the middle, and again we're going to open up the soft selection settings and have it set to global soft select, and it's going to start off on 5 down here, but we're going to increase that selection until we just barely get those edges covered so they moved a little bit. And back over to the 3D view, I'm going to use the move tool to just move that out a little bit. And I guess I'll do a export selection to a FBX file. And that's it.